Dealing with unknown TBHs on Instagram.
Hey there, Instagrammers. Have you ever received a, to be honest, TBH, comment or direct message from someone you don't know on Instagram? It can be a bit puzzling, right? Well, in this video, we're going to discuss how to respond to a TBH from a stranger on Instagram.
What is a TBH on Instagram?
To start with, let's quickly clarify what TBH stands for. TBH is short for, to be honest, and it's a social media trend where users give their honest opinions about someone, usually in a positive or constructive way. But what happens when you get a TBH from someone you don't know? That's what we're here to figure out.
Why did I get a TBH from a stranger?
The first question to ask is, why did I get a TBH from a stranger? If your account is public, anyone can see your posts and engage with them. So, an unknown person might stumble upon your profile and decide to send you a TBH. They might be a new follower who appreciates your content, or perhaps they found your account through hashtags or the Explore page.
How should I respond?
This leads us to our next question. How should I respond? It really depends on the TBH itself and how you feel about it. Here are a few options. 1. Polite acknowledgement. If the TBH is positive and you feel comfortable, you could simply say, "Thank you," or "I appreciate it." 2. Engage in conversation. If you're interested, you could engage in a conversation. Ask them how they found your profile, or what they like about your posts. 3. No response. If you're uncomfortable or unsure, you don't need to respond at all. It's your account and you have the right to choose who you interact with.
How to avoid unwanted TBHs in the future?
If you're uncomfortable receiving TBHs from strangers, there are a few steps you can take to limit this. 1. Set your account to private. This will make your posts visible only to those who follow you. 2. Manage your tags and mentions. Under Instagram's privacy settings, you can choose who can tag or mention you in posts. 3. Block or report. If a particular user is making you uncomfortable, Instagram lets you block or report them. Receiving a TBH from a stranger on Instagram can be unexpected, but with these tips, you should feel prepared to handle it. Remember, your online comfort and safety come first. Don't feel pressured to respond if you're uncomfortable. But if you're okay with it, these encounters can lead to interesting conversations and even new connections. Happy Instagramming!